You crack your knuckles all day, and everyone says you'll wreck your joints.
Arthritis.
So what happens if you never stop? Here's the thing, that pop isn't bone grinding on bone. Pull the joint apart, the pressure drops, a gas bubble forms in the fluid and bursts. That snap? Just the bubble popping. And the arthritis warning? One doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand every day for 60 years and got no more arthritis than the hand he left alone. Myth
So go ahead.
busted. So go ahead, crack away.